Hi guys, I know it's been a while. I feel like it's been a month since I've been on YouTube. I am doing a video update, basically like a life update of where I've been, why I haven't been filming. That should be coming up really soon. In that video, I also answer questions because I had a lot of people ask me questions on Instagram and I never answered them. So that video will be up soon. But this video, I wanted to show you a quick invitation that I set up for my kids. This activity, I feel like it's going to be a lot of fun for them. My girls have really been into beadwork, particularly Maya, who is 3. She's been doing a lot of, beads and like pipe cleaners, I think that's what they're called. So I set this invitation up because I thought it would be fun for her. I know also Lyric will like it. It's a great fine motor skill activity. It's great for hand-eye coordination. It uses a lot of cognitive skills. It can also be turned into a math activity if that's what you want, where you can sit with your child and count the beads. So usually, not all the time, but a lot of times I will set up just invitations where I put out just a bunch of different materials and there is no direction. I just, my kids just kind of come up with whatever they want to create. And I love that. I love letting them make their own decisions and using their imagination. But this time, I could have made this a little bit more open-ended. I'm just going to show you guys. But before I show you, I'm going to quickly show you our art room because somebody asked me if anything has changed. And not much, but I'm going to show you real quick. So we still have a lot of the same stuff. There's a lot of beads up there. Yeah, it's pretty much kind of the same. Haven't been, it's not like perfectly organized, but yeah, it works. There's a lot of recycled stuff like cardboard and tops to oatmeal and things like that we will reuse for art. Different yarn and I don't know, different things like that. Some cans, just like things that would go in the trash, we keep for art. So a lot of different materials, as you can kind of see. A lot of different buttons and stuff that I got at thrift stores. Up here, this container is full of wine corks, which we'll probably never all use completely. But because we host so many art, sessions, I like to keep them because the kids do go through them. So maybe one day I'll, we'll go through all. This is all cardboard and just, cut up pieces of art that we use for collages. And up here we have like really old glitter that we don't use very often because I don't buy glitter anymore. I think I mentioned before, I just think glitter is terrible for the environment, but this is what we have left over. And we do use colored salt instead that I make. Here's some more colored salt that I make. My girls love this stuff. Yeah. And then over here is pretty much looks the same. Nothing much has changed. There's just different containers in there, different art materials. Yeah, I think before I used to have a white shelf here. I moved it outside. And then this is what we're using right now, which I love. Yeah, looks kind of the same. Little table that we use as a sensory table. This table that I have here closes up a lot. You guys have seen that probably. It has this it's a leaf table. So a lot of times we close it and just keep two, parts, 2 seats there. And then I'll push this table back. But for now it's open. A lot of the same stuff we have. These were some little cupcakes that we made a while back. How cute. Yeah, so there you guys have a little quick tour. Now let me show you the setup. Here is the invitation for my children, for my kids. Just some wooden beads, some buttons that I got at the thrift store, and these I also got at the thrift store. They have little cute happy faces on them. They do have this little thing back here where you can, string them if you want. And then what I meant by if I wanted to keep this open-ended, more open-ended, I could have just put out wire instead and had them come up with their own idea. I could have just, I could have, for example, sat with them and maybe say something like, let's make some wall decorations. How can we hang these up on the wall? And then allow particularly Lyric, who's 5, to figure out what she can do. But today I just decided to do this. I thought it would be fun. All I did was I looped the wire right there. And then we can put beads through it. And at the end we can tie them. So we'll see how they come out. I think my girls will enjoy these. And then with these, all I did was put some twigs, put out some twigs with wire on them as well. Now, again, I could have made this a little bit more open-ended if I wanted to. I could have just put out some twigs and some wire and let them figure out. Maya, you know, she's 3, but Lyric would have figured it out, you know, like how to make something for as a wall decoration that could hang. But I don't know, I just felt like doing this today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was very short. Please look forward to the next few videos. One is the one about just an update on what's been going on in my life and what I've been doing. And then the second video after that will be a review on a product that I am really enjoying with my kids. So, so I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
On a Christmas tree?
If you'd like to.